Good morning, children. Now we are going to learn about another method of asexual reproduction, that is the fragmentation. So what is fragmentation is the body of the parent organism splits into many fragments, and each fragment is developing into a new organism. It is capable of developing into a new young organism and leads a separate life. So this is called fragmentation. So in order to explain the process of fragmentation in animals, two examples have been given in our book. The one is the pedal laceration method. Pedal laceration method in sea anemone and apolysis method in Taenia solium. So in pedal laceration method, we will see how it is reproducing asexually. Here I have shown the picture of the sea anemone. You know what is sea anemone? It is a marine invertebrate animal. It is an animal, multicellular animal. It is marine invertebrate animal which falls under the phylum Coelenterata. So this animal has a tube or cup shaped body in which it contains numerous tentacles, tube or cup shaped body in which it contains numerous tentacles, and it has stinging cells. So they are called as cnidarians. Nematocyst is available in the stinging cells, and it is a predator. It is a predatory in nature. Nutrition is predatory in nature. It captures the organisms which is floating in the water, and it has a opening mouth, that we call it as mouth. A single opening is there. And if you see the structure of the sea anemone, at the base it has a structure called as pedal disc or basal plate, with which it get attached to the substratum. It is getting attached to the substratum with the help of the pedal disc or basal plate. So in the basal plate, when it wants to divide asexually by fragmentation method, the basal plate spreads itself and the body of the organism splits into many fragments. Tissue degradation occurs and it splits the body of the sea anemone into many fragments. These fragments are in the crescent shape. You know what is the crescent shape looks like? This is how the crescent shape looks like. Okay, so the body of the organism, the basal, how it is reproducing? First the basal plate is spreading itself and tissue degradation occurs in between the margins and also in the body column. Then the body is splitting up into many fragments. The fragments are crescent shape and each fragment is capable of growing into a new organism. So the body splits into many fragments, giving rise to many organisms, many young daughter or young sea anemone. This process we call it as pedal laceration. It is a kind of asexual reproduction, that too fragmentation in marine invertebrate.